Let's go. How did we get in? How the fuck did we get in here? Wow, nice place. I didn't know if it'd get torn down by the time I got to go to it, but I was thinking, man, the elements have probably eroded this place by now. But nope. Empty room. Take a picture of monkeys. What the fuck? Oh, there's a fucking dead bird in here, dude. That's nasty looking. Holes in the wall. Some hose in this house. Equally nasty curtains, of course. Here's the kitchen. Many pancakes were made upon this grill. Ooh. That's where they cooked their children, maybe.
Yeah, probably.
I always just ever since that rat popped out at Jessica's house, I'm always afraid a rat's gonna pop out of somewhere. This looked like a nice bathroom. It seems kind of roomy in here.
Compared to most bathrooms we see.
Yeah, compared to most at least. Nice swan on their fucking shower. Nice window. Oh, that's dumb. Another one of these bathrooms, there's like a window right out to like the porch. It's like people could watch you taking a shit. Or showering even, maybe.
It's a lovely porch.
I figured you were going to say that because it's, well, it's seen better days. Oh, they even got a little barn right here too. Let's go. Where's the staircase? They had to leap down. No, there's a way in from outside. We'll come back. We'll take the route that doesn't require us to have to. I feel like these houses always have the same staircases too. They're like these really steep, narrow fucking things.
Yeah, they do actually. It curves around at the top.
Yeah, kind of. Weird how like there's no windows up here, but yet they have a whole ass door. Can't even open that. Maybe it's not even a door. Maybe it's just boarded off or something. I don't know. Yeah, well, that one's definitely boarded off. It's never good when you can see through the floor to the bottom. It's just a closet. You can see into the room I was just in. Yep. Then of course you have this. There's always one part of the upstairs that's way less furnished looking than the rest. Alright. Oh, I hate these fucking stairways. Like, these stairways are probably the reason that people move out. God damn it. Why is there gonna be a great big thorn bush in the way? It's like, ooh, it's like stabbing my leg a bit. There we go, just break her off like that. This is what I expect for a basement of this kind of house, of course. Ah, yes. Like, usually there's at least a few steps left, but like here there's like not, there's nothing. Like, I don't even see where like the remnants of the staircase would even like be. Like, it doesn't look like they fell off or anything. It just looks like they're just...
These trucks are pulling up to us.
That's what I thought. I was like...
What are you doing in my pa's cellar?
My great-great-great-grandpa's cellar is who it would probably belong to. Oh, a lot easier coming out.
It's always easier coming out of the closet.
Even looks like there's stuff back there, too. Oh, not gonna open that. What is this, kooky? There's like a tractor over there, I think. That's weird. Well, he can't see us, but probably should leave. We've already seen this place. Maybe that was the big thing we heard driving next to us. The maker of international tractors. That's where we're just inside of. There's a tractor over there, if you can see that. All right, let's go.
My nickel.